Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The address here at the dealership is 2261 Southwest College Road, and the phone number is 694-1234. And when you're arriving and you see that real pretty flag up there in the patriotic horse, you're at Prestige. Taking a quick moment to highlight a fresh arrival. This is a 2016 Toyota Tundra, and this does enter into the new body style. Has a V8. I believe there's 6 seat belts. Has a clean CARFAX, a factory tow package. This truck is about to go in for detail, but it's a sharp truck. It's a Toyota, and most know how long they last. 16 service records in the CARFAX, and we are going to clean it, but it's a steering wheel controls, automatic. That's the shift on the tow haul motor. Power windows. Does have 6 seat belts. Picks up the Joy FM nicely. Clean truck all around. And by the time you get here, my folks would have washed and vacuumed and waxed it. So just a quick 90 seconds to say hello, let you know about a Tundra that's come in. 16 Tundra with a clean CARFAX. I think $26,900, $27,900 is the average market price. I'm thinking about $23,900. 16 Tundra. We have some great financing sources and local credit unions, some national lenders, and we even have Chris Credit for in-house financing for folks with new and rebuilding credit. But we've got probably 4 or 5 Toyotas in right now, both Tacomas and Tundras. Just wanted to show you this one. This is Chris. We'll see you at the store.